Okay. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello, how do you do there, miss?
Hi, I was wondering if you could point me towards the way to the school, please.
School's just down the road that way, ma'am.
That way?
Yes, just right over there.
Oh, thank you, sir.
What business do you have with the school, if I might ask?
Oh, well, I'm the new teacher in town, thank you very much.
Oh, the new teacher! Oh, well, what will you be teaching the young children?
Mathematics,
Mathematics.
Yes, mathematics and English
How
and
good.
bilingual studies.
Bilingual studies.
Oh, yes, I just love teaching people new languages and things of that nature.
Huh. Could you demonstrate your other languages for me, please, miss? If you
Sure,
don't...
sure, okay. Cognito ergo sum, tabula rasa, expecto patronats,
Okay, I've heard enough. Just 1 minute, just a tick, darling. I'll be right back. What you say? Just talk bilingual studies. Bilingual studies. Okay. All right. Miss, if you wouldn't mind demonstrating your bilingual studies for us, please, then.
Again? Okay, if you insist. Cognito ergo sum, expecto patronum,
All right. I think that'll be just
tabula
enough.
rasa.
All right, your table raspberries. All right. Just 1 second, miss. Witch or something. What to do? The witch to burn. Hey, look! What's that over there?
Where am I? What is going on? I'm so afraid. Why am I on this stick?
You know what you did here? Yeah, that's right. We caught you being a witch.
A witch? But I'm not a witch.
Yes, you are. You were talking in tongues, you were. She was totally talking in tongues, I know, right?
That is not tongues, that is Latin, you idiots.
Latin is Greek for witch, which is what you are.
I am not a witch, I swear it.
Hang on just a minute. Alright, we have a way to determine whether or not you're a witch. That's right. Alright, if you're not a witch, say not it, not it, not it.
Not it.
Ah, you were lost. Yep, she's definitely a witch. Oh, she's totally a witch. Alright.
But I'm not a witch. How can you prove that I'm not a witch? I'm not a witch. How can I can't get that through your head. I'm not a witch.
Well, if we burn you, and if you survive, that means you're a witch. Yes, it totally means she's a witch. I know, right?
But I'll be dead no matter what. This is stupid. I am a teacher and burns kill you.
No, if you're a witch, you'll be alive. Commence the burning! Commence the burning!
What's this? What's going on? Get me out of here. I don't like it. No. Ew. Ew. What is all that? Ew, it's sticky. Ew, it's very sticky.
You brought this on yourself,
I don't like
you did.
it. I don't like it. Stop.
That's right, get it all over.
This is like third grade again. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Stop it. Stop. Don't burn me. I'm alive. No.
That's it,
No,
burn the
stop.
witch! Burn her to death!
Ah!
That'll show you to be a witch!
No!
That's right.
No!
That's right.
Stop. Stop. It hurts. Get in there.
Oh, what a lovely day in Salem it is. Oh my god, this woman, she's burning! She's on fire! Not like the Hunger Games way, like the dying way! What are you people doing to her? It's madness! Oh my god, I'll try to save... Ah, it's can't save you, but I'm really sorry. No hard feelings. Starting to smell like lamb now. I'm gonna get away. Someone should probably put that out.